Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to contact Amazon customer service. Whether you're dealing with an order issue, need help with the device, or have questions about your account, knowing how to reach Amazon's support team quickly can save you time and frustration. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists in the menu bar. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with various account-related choices. From this menu, click on Customer Service. This section is specifically designed to help you resolve issues and get support for any Amazon-related concerns. Once you're on the customer service page, scroll down a bit. Amazon has organized this page to make finding help as straightforward as possible. You'll notice a list of common issues displayed prominently, including things like Amazon Prime membership, Kindle, Fire, Alexa, or other Amazon devices, ebooks, Prime videos, music or games, payment methods, charges or gift cards, managing logins, addresses or your data, message and notification settings, and other common issues. This categorization helps you quickly narrow down the type of problem you're experiencing. Select the issue from the list that best matches what you need help with. After clicking on your chosen category, Amazon will present you with different options related to that specific issue. These options are tailored to help you find the most relevant solution or contact method for your particular situation. Browse through the available options and select the one that most closely aligns with your concern. After making your selection, look for the button that says "I need more help" and click on it. This step is important because it signals to Amazon that the self-service options haven't resolved your issue and you need direct assistance from their support team. At this point, you'll be given two contact options. The first is Start Chatting Now, which connects you with a customer service representative through a live chat interface. The second option is Request a Call, which allows you to receive a phone call from Amazon support. Choose whichever method works best for you based on your preference and availability. Once you've selected your preferred contact method, you'll have the opportunity to explain what happened or what you want Amazon to do. Be clear and concise in describing your issue, including any relevant order numbers, dates, or details that might help the representative assist you more efficiently. The more specific you are, the faster they can work toward a resolution. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to Amazon's customer service and initiated contact with their support team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.